So you want to up your note-taking game? Well, let me tell you, Google Docs is about to become your new best friend. With its sleek interface and powerful features, it's the perfect tool for staying organized and taking notes like a pro. First things first, create a new document. Give it a catchy title like My Awesome Notes because, hey, who doesn't want awesome notes, right? Now let's talk organization. Use headings and subheadings to structure your notes. This makes it super easy to navigate and find what you need later on. Just highlight the text and click on the Format menu. Boom! Your notes are now beautifully organized. But wait, there's more. Google Docs also lets you add bullet points and numbered lists. This is perfect for breaking down complex information or creating to-do lists. Simply click on the bulleted list or numbered list icon and you're good to go. Oh, and did I mention collaboration? Google Docs allows you to share your notes with others and work on them together in real time. Just click on the Share button, enter their email address, and voila! You're now a note-taking dream team. And finally, my favorite feature, the search bar. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and frantic page flipping. Just type in a keyword and Google Docs will magically find the exact spot in your notes where that word appears. It's like having a personal note-taking assistant. So there you have it, folks. With Google Docs, note-taking and organization have never been easier. So go ahead, give it a try, and take your note-taking game to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it.